The Skoda ENYAQ COUPE IV electric car has been revealed with a starting price of around £40,000 and a range of up to 339 miles. The Skoda ENYAQ COUPE IV and its sporty VRS model, similar to what we've seen with the popular Octavia VRS, were revealed yesterday, giving you a car that's smarter looking than the standard ENYAQ, thanks to a coupe-like roofline, and almost as practical. Up front, you get the same confident grille design that's flanked by standard matrix LEDs, while around the sides you get wheels that range from 19 to 21 inches in size. The rear end is as stylish as the front with jewel-like LEDs and a tapered tail. Go for the VRS model and you get 15mm lower suspension and a more aggressive body kit. Oh, and you can have it in hyper green paint. The beauty of the SUV body shape is that the ENYAQ Coupe remains very practical. There's loads of room for 4 tall adults, and although the roofline is lower than in the standard SUV, it barely diminishes the interior headroom. Even the 570-liter boot is just 15 liters short of what you get in the ENYAQ SUV. You won't feel shortchanged when it comes to equipment, either. All models have a 13-inch center display with optional augmented Sat-NAV, and a 5.3-inch digital instrument binnacle. Also on the standard kit list is climate control, a heated steering wheel, keyless entry, and a full suite of autonomous driving aids. The VRS model adds 3-zone climate control. Whichever model you go for, the ENYAQ Coupe comes with a 77 kWh battery, currently the largest you'll find in a VW Group car. It's the basic 203 horsepower model that puts this to greatest effect, giving you a range of up to 339 miles thanks to it being the only rear-wheel drive model. The rest of the range has all-wheel drive, and you can choose from the 265 PS 80X or the 299 PS VRS, that is the fastest version, getting from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and on to a top speed of 111 miles per hour. Further boosting the ENYAQ Coupe's everyday usability is its ability to tow between 1,200 and 1,400 kilograms and its fast charging times. The Skoda can fill its battery from 10 to 80% in 29 minutes using a public fast charger. Charging at home will save you a fortune, but a 11 kWh charge will take between 6 to 8 hours to get the battery from flat to full.